Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Flatsome theme. First, ensure Flatsome is installed and activated on your WordPress site. After activation, consider importing demo content to jumpstart your design. This provides a solid foundation, allowing you to quickly see the theme's capabilities. Then, familiarize yourself with the powerful UX Builder, which is your primary tool for customizing pages and layouts. It's designed for ease of use. The UX Builder is Flatsome's core. You can easily drag and drop various elements like banners, text blocks, and product grids onto your pages. It offers a wide array of pre-built sections and templates, saving you significant time. Simply select a section and customize it to fit your brand. Each element has specific settings, allowing you to fine-tune colors, fonts, spacing, and more, giving you complete creative freedom. Beyond the UX Builder, Flatsome provides extensive theme options. Access these through the WordPress customizer to set global styles. Here, you can define your site's logo, favicon, and overall branding. Customize your header and footer layouts, choosing from several pre-designed styles. You can also manage your site's typography, selecting fonts and sizes, and establish a consistent color scheme across all pages, ensuring a cohesive look. Flatsome is built for e-commerce, integrating perfectly with WooCommerce. It offers powerful shop features to display your products beautifully. You can customize product grids, single product pages, and category archives. Optimize these pages with compelling descriptions and high-quality images to encourage purchases. The theme provides various layouts and options to enhance the shopping experience, helping you drive sales and grow your online business effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.